Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: mindful eating techniques for weight management. In this fast-paced world, maintaining a healthy weight can be a challenge, but with the practice of mindful eating, you can foster a healthier relationship with food and manage your weight more effectively. Stick around as we delve into some insightful techniques that can make a real difference in your journey towards a healthier you. Let's start by understanding what mindful eating actually means. Mindful eating is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the eating experience. It involves paying attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food, as well as your body's hunger and fullness cues. This technique encourages you to savor each bite and eat with intention, rather than mindlessly consuming calories. One of the fundamental principles of mindful eating is listening to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Before you start eating, take a moment to assess how hungry you are on a scale of 1 to 10. And while you eat, check in with yourself periodically to determine if you're comfortably full. This can help you avoid overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. Mindful eating also involves minimizing distractions during meals. Turn off the TV, put your phone away, and create a calm environment for eating. By focusing solely on your food, you're more likely to enjoy your meal, recognize when you're satisfied, and avoid overindulging. Next up, let's talk about the importance of savoring your food. Take your time to appreciate the flavors and textures in every bite. Engage your senses by noticing the colors, smells, and even the sounds of your food. This not only enhances the eating experience but also helps prevent the urge to rush through your meal. Incorporating mindful eating into your routine doesn't mean you can't enjoy treats. Allow yourself occasional indulgences, but savor them mindfully. When you eat that piece of chocolate or a slice of cake, truly enjoy it, and you'll find that you're more satisfied with smaller portions. To wrap up, remember that mindful eating is a skill that takes practice. Be patient with yourself as you develop this habit. Over time, you'll likely notice improvements in your digestion, satisfaction from meals, and even weight management. Thank you for joining us today to explore the world of mindful eating techniques for weight management. By incorporating these techniques into your daily routine, you can create a healthier relationship with food, make more conscious choices, and ultimately achieve your weight management goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more